COVID numbers on the rise across the country. The Los Angeles County mask mandates are returning tomorrow after a recent surge in positive cases there. Now one local law enforcement agency is using a new tool to sniff out the virus. 12 News reporter Matt Paddock is in Dartmouth today, where the Bristol County Sheriff's Office is becoming the first law enforcement agency in the country to implement COVID sniffing K9s. Matt joins us now with the details that are new at 5. Matt?
Shannon, Kim, we just finished a demonstration here at Bristol County Sheriff's Office where they showed the media their newest tools. I introduce you to Duke and Hunter, the department's newest COVID sniffing canines. This is Duke. And this is Hunter, 9-month-old siblings and the first law enforcement canine COVID detection team in the United States.
Everything just gives off an odor and it's miraculous.
Like dogs trained to detect weapons and drugs, canines like Duke here can be trained to detect COVID.
The dog is able to smell the COVID on the mask and alert the officer or who he's working with that the COVID scent is on this.
Those masks used in Friday's demonstration sent from FIU, who developed the dogs program.
I called my captain, said, call down to Florida International University, I think it was February 19th. He called down and said, let them know we're interested. If they're willing to train canine to do that, we're interested.
Once those masks arrived, they used this ultraviolet system to kill the contagious portion of the virus, but leave behind the COVID odor.
COVID gives an odor just like everything else in the world. We can teach a dog to find pens. Dogs are trained to key up on somebody who's having low blood sugar.
But how does it work? The dogs first being introduced to a universal detector calibrate, used to help them distinguish smell. From there, they are introduced to the scent of COVID-19.
It was as simple as putting the odor of COVID in the jar, and we say search, and he hits it and we reward him.
Captain Paul Douglas says that these dogs will not be used to search people, but rather
decon tool. So we'll search cells if their clothing is left behind.
Bristol County Sheriff Thomas Hodgson tells me that the Sheriff's Office is working with the New Bedford Fire Department and local EMS providers to help get COVID-positive patients to wear a mask to help train with these dogs. But reporting live in Dartmouth, Matt Paddock, 12 News.